Find Service Center.
Open the Chrome browser to begin.
Go to Samsung.com.
Tap the menu icon to open the site navigation. Select Support from the menu. Tap on Service Center.
Scroll down until you see the Find a Support Center section.
Tap on Select your product to choose your product type. Tap Mobile Device to filter the service centers.
Type your city or postal code, then tap the search icon to find results.